This is a pilot for the rest of the nation to ignite a great awakening through united, humble, desperate prayer and action. I was on this phone literally a week ago today to leaders across 40 cities across America who are very interested in what's happening here in Northeast Ohio. So what is it about? Well, two things really. One is unity. John 17, Jesus prayed that they may be one even as we are one. Then the world will know. So the church coming together, we're seeing that in Northeast Ohio. Catholics, Baptists, Evangelicals, Pentecostals, Charismatics, people who know Jesus are coming together as one. Number one. Number two is to mobilize, is to get out of the four walls of our buildings to do what we were saying earlier on. We follow Jesus, I will make you fishers of men. See, God's heart is for people. He so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. God cares about people here in Wesley. And so what the church is now doing, finally, getting outside the four walls, going through the land and sharing Jesus in a wonderful way. And we're actually piloting that now. Getting outside of the four walls, doing cookouts, doing gatherings like this. It's so powerful. Jesus said, we are now the light of the world, yes? And light drives out darkness. So as we go, we know that there will be a shift in the heavenly realm. If the Christians wake up in the workplace and start seeing themselves as the body of Christ there and start praying together, boy, will we see a great change.